Introducing our amazing product, the Instant Volcano!
That isn't actually instant and takes 10,000 to 500,000 years to form.
This product comes in 2 varieties, volcanic cones and shield volcanoes.
Our instant but isn't actually instant volcano uses plate tectonics technology to create deadly good results.
Tectonic plates make up the Earth's crust. The crust is one of the 4 layers of the Earth, along with the mantle, outer core, and inner core. The mantle, which is the layer below the crust, is made of magma and moves in slow currents, causing the plates to move. When plates are diverging, they are moving away from each other. When plates are converging, they are moving towards each other. There are 7 major tectonic plates, which are the North American plate, South American, Indo-Australian, Eurasian, African, Pacific, and Antarctic plate. The biggest one being the Pacific plate, which is 103 million square kilometers long. To create our not-so-instant volcanoes, magma is pushed through the tectonic plates and creates layers, slowly forming a volcano. To make super cool eruptions, plates are forced down into the mantle, causing magma to rise up into the volcano and shoot out. Our instant volcanoes are most popular near plate boundaries. In fact, let's visit one of our happy customers now. On the Bay of Naples in Italy is one of our oldest and best volcanoes, Mount Vesuvius, which is over thousands of years old and has erupted over 50 times. Its most famous eruption was in 79 CE in the ancient Roman city Pompeii. Pompeii was a very popular vacation spot for wealthy Roman nobles, so when Mount Vesuvius erupted, it gave them a lovely show.
Isn't that beautiful? It's amazing.
It may look bad, but underneath the dust and debris, the city is mostly intact.
So what if they bring towns and cities were abandoned for centuries? Who cares?
And only 2,000 people died.
Oh, we should cut that bit out.
Yeah, can we cut that out? We interrupt this program to bring you breaking news from our reporter Michaela. Pompeii, the Roman city built near Mount Vesuvius and other towns in the region, has been destroyed in only 25 hours. The area has been turned to ruins. although centuries later, there are about 1 million people helping to preserve the site. Ancient buildings and artifacts have helped build a connection and understanding of the daily life in the culture of the Roman civilization. Pompeii has been recognized as a valuable historic site and is treasured by many. Thank you for listening. What? What do you mean? What up?
Let's interview one of our satisfied customers. Well, how about you, ma'am?
It was absolutely dreadful. The dust poured across the land like a flood and shrouded the city in darkness like a blanket of a closed and unlighted room.
Great, moving on.
Actually, after the ancient city was rediscovered in 1748, skeletons were found that were frozen in place, as well as preserved jars of fruit and loaves of bread. Pompeii went on to be one of Italy's most visited tourist attractions,
So get your instant volcano today.
The price is amazingly low. It will only cost you an arm, a leg, thousands of years, and
Your soul!
And with no guarantee it will actually work.
But wait, there's more!
If you call now, get a free set of steak knives.
But wait, there's even more! Whoa!
If you buy two, you'll get not one, but two earthquakes.
Buy yours today! To create out not so instant volcanoes, magma is pushed through the tectonic plates and creates layers, slowly forming a volcano. To make super cool eruption. Now I'm already speaking like a bloody thing. What is wrong with me? Howdy, hey, how you going? Today's great deals are amazing. What am I doing in my life?